pause it, and this screen pops up, and it's like every time you go to do something, you get a stupid pop-up, and you're trying to get that out of the way so you can pause this or that. Like boom, 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 boom every freaking time. It's like so annoying. It won't stop. And it says to unsubscribe or to stop these messages, and you click it, and more stuff pops up to try to get you to buy other things. I refuse to ever buy things that pop up like that. I still won't get Netflix. Netflix, 24 years ago when I was in college, kept popping up. Every time I would try to do something, Netflix had pop. And I'm like, I will never, ever buy your service. I don't care how good it is. Well, I still haven't bought it. Everyone says it's fantastic. Everyone loves it. My sister had it for a while. So, anyways, enough of that stupid stuff. I always get sidetracked by dumb stuff. I don't know if I know I was showing stuff, but I don't think I showed everything. Ran out of time, basically is what happened. Alright, so this video is personally for Rob Ayers. So, just so you know what these packs are. This orange pack is a 90 Donruss. This is a 1989 Donruss. And I have thousands of 1988s, and I can't find them. I have cases and cases of 88. 90 Donruss, 88, 90 Donruss, 88 Donruss, 86 Donruss, 92 Donruss, the ones with the first elite cards. Those, I forget if it was like Cal Ripken, or if it was Reggie Jackson, or if it was Nolan Ryan. They had those elite cards. I don't know where they're at. Anyways, alright, so I have 90 Donruss, orange, 89 Donruss, red with a blue and yellow writing on it, mostly red though. Well, this says it right on there, Topps Trade. That's one good thing about Topps. It always puts the, like this one, 1988 Topps. This one is a 1988 score. I don't know if it says it anywhere. Yeah, right there. 1988. Alright, so they're the first 5 packs. Alright. 1989 Upper Deck. That pack's worth a fortune. 1987 Donruss. So I have 87, 89, and 90. I have the one that I have the most of. I can't find my packs. God. 1990 Upper Deck. 89 Upper Deck. 1987 Donruss. In the like tannish. Sorry, I cut it because I was sick and tired. I start coughing really bad. I didn't want that on the film, so 89 Upper Deck, worth like $50 a pack. 87 Donruss, I don't know, $5 a pack. And these are probably $3 or $4 a pack. This is 90 Upper Deck. I have 91s and 92s and 93s. And Flair and all this other stuff. I just don't know where, I mean, I know where some of it is buried under stuff that I just can't get to. Like my 86 Donruss cases, I know exactly where they are. They're just buried. This is a 2003 Topps. Topps Series 1. Or is that Series 2? I can't. Looks like it said 2 when I put it close to the camera. Oh no, the big S looked like a 2. It's series with a big S at the end. Capital S, E-R-I-E, capital S at the end with a 1. So definitely Series 1. This is a 1990. No, give me 1993. You know what? I don't know. Looks like it says 2001, but I really don't know. Major League Baseball. And this camera does not like to focus. It says the Ultimate 1953 set. It's a pack of archives, but I don't know what year it is. I don't know, but it's cool. I just don't know what year it is. Alright, so there's 10 unique packs. $19.89 jumbo pack. I don't know, probably like 60 cards in there. Alright, so that's 11, and then these 7. Opening day 2021. This one here, well, it's obviously it's a Gypsy Queen 2021. It says it right on the pack. Topps Chrome. This Chrome is from 2021. I just bought it. Oof. Wow. These things are like $7 a pack, or between $5 and $7 a pack. I don't know. This one's expensive too. This is a 2018 archives. That box cost me like $54 or something. And there's only like 4 or 5 packs in it. Topps Series 2. Topps 2001 Series 2. Allen and Ginter. This is from 2021. Oh, there it is up at the top. Okay, I didn't see it at first. And this is 2021 Absolute. Not sure how much those packs go for, but it was like $30 a box, and 5 packs in it, so $6 for that pack. Alright, so that's 18 total packs. 1987 Topps. 20, 1991 Studio. I think this is by Leaf. Yep, Leaf. 19. This is the one that pisses me off. I bought this at a flea market, and I only have one of them, but I'm giving it to you because I can't find my stuff I wanted to give to you, like the 86 Donruss and the 86 Topps and all the, all that stuff. I can't find it. 90 Topps. The only reason why it pisses me off is because I wanted to open it. I wanted to open it. Alright, so 18, 22 different ones. And then these are packs from Comerica Park. I want to say it could have been 2001. I'm not sure. I think Comerica Park wasn't open until 2001. What I think. Whether it's true or not, I don't know. So there's 3 packs. One has Eric Davis on the front. One has Kenny Rogers on the front. And one has Brant Brown. I never even heard of him. Alright, so these are, let's just call these 2001 Comerica Park. Oh, yeah, it couldn't have been 98 because I opened a couple of these packs, and there was 2000 Ionics, 2000 there was I don't know, there was different, maybe Stadium, I forget. Right here, the Pacific 2000. This one is Eric Davis's Pacific 2000. I can't tell what this is. But yeah, so these might just be variety packs. It's just different, like sort of like a yak pack, but it was like early 2000. I am almost positive this is from the year 2001. I think Comerica Park opened 2001. But anyways, this video, you guys could watch this. It's sort of boring, but I'm just showing Rob what kind of packs these are in case he wants to. I know he writes stuff down on those little stickers and he puts it on here. So these kinds are 2001 Comerica Park All-Star Game packs, gift packs, VIP packs. I don't know. My cousin got them for me. She was the mascot for the Tigers. I don't want to have to repeat that story again. Alright, so that's... So I stole you 8 packs. Wow. I don't know. I thought I had more. Oh, because Diamond Kings, I opened it up and it wasn't individual packs. It was just 20 cards in one thing. I don't know. I can throw in football packs. I got tons of football packs here. I don't know. Alright, so I have 3.5 weeks of unique packs where none of them are the same. And I'm going to have to throw in, I got 6 of these 90 Tops Traded packs and 2 Archives packs. So, I mean, I have to do it. I can't find my other things. Let me make sure. 5, 10, 18, 22, yeah. Yeah, so, unique packs. And you already know these are 90 Tops Traded, which says it all over the place. And these ones are those archives that it says 1953, but I don't know what year they're from. So, alright, that's it. That's all I wanted to show you. You really don't want me to give you these because these are awful, these 90 Donruss. So I didn't. I mean, I could have given you them instead, but at least the archives are nice. And those, believe it or not, even though most people think those 90 traded sets, hold on, I'm gonna sneeze. Let me pause this. Man, it's funny, I had to sneeze and they tell you look up at the light. It'll make you sneeze. Well, usually it does, but it made me not want to sneeze, so how messed up is that? Alright, I'm going to send you those packs out tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday. Actually, today's Saturday. Oh my god, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. I will send you those out at Saturday. So Saturday post office is open. I'll package these up and I'll send them out to you. And that's it. Okay. Sorry for the pop-up infested video. Peace.